snap camera so that you can have this really nifty version of yourself that I'll show you here in a second. Then first what you're going to do is install the Snap Camera app. Download and install the Snap Camera app. So download here, and you will have to agree to their terms, and you can be the type of person who is very good and reads the policies. Click, put in your email address, verify that you are not a robot, and you can download for Mac or PC. So when you click download for Mac or PC, you can tell it where you want to save the executable file. Once you save it, I guess I'll go ahead and do this and then delete it later. I'll save it to downloads. Once you save it, it'll show up in your little bar here, or you can actually go to your downloads and find it there, and show in folder. Either way, I think you can just actually click on the executable file, and then it goes to install. Now I'm going to say no, but you should say yes to install. I said no because I've already installed it, which is what you're going to see now. And once you have Snap Camera installed, you'll log in, and then you can actually look through so many different filters that they have available on Snapchat. You can use those, and you can actually, just for fun, make your Snap Camera the camera that you use in your Zoom calls. Let's not do that one. Go back to my favorite one is a Smurf. Let's see if I can find it. Is this it? It's this one, I think. Now I've made my own snap filters, but I like this one the best. And if you're in Zoom, you can actually go into a meeting and I'll start a meeting. And you can see when I go into a meeting, I can make Snap Camera my camera, and now I would be in a Zoom call as a Smurf. Hello, I've done this before. And the other cool thing is, while you're in Snap Camera, you can actually switch out your filter and it'll switch live. So that's kind of fun. Now be careful thinking about who you're going to do this for, unless you're just a silly person like me, and then everyone knows, so it doesn't matter. Alrighty, well, I hope that helps you kind of liven up your Zoom calls. Have a great day.